Once it has become clear in our understanding and our experience that it is I awareness that knows the body, mind and world, rather than I, the separate body-mind, that knows the world. We can look again more closely at the relationship between I, awareness, and this body-mind world that appears to it. What is the relationship between these apparent two? We used to think and feel that I awareness was on the inside of the body-mind, and the world was everything that was on the outside. Now, instead, we understand and experience that everything appears in the same place. That is, all objects of the mind, body and world appear in the same place, at the same distance, as it were, from awareness. None is closer to or farther from awareness than another. But how close is that? What is the relationship between thoughts, sensations and perceptions and the awareness that knows or experiences them? See clearly that everything, all appearances of the mind, body and world are, in fact, equally intimate with awareness. Nothing is further away from awareness than anything else. Take, for instance, your thoughts to begin with. It is obvious in most cases that thoughts, that thinking is intimate, close, pervaded by awareness. Check that out. Try to see if there is any distance or separation between the thought and the knowing of the thought. They are obviously one and the same thing. And how much distance is there between the knowing of the thought and awareness? They are one and the same thing. But now take something that seems to be at a distance, like the sound of the plane. How much distance is there between that sound and the hearing of the sound? Can you find two things there, the sound and the hearing of the sound? Or are sound and hearing the same thing? And how far is hearing from yourself, awareness? Can you find two substances there? One, myself. Two, hearing. Or is hearing utterly, intimately one with yourself? See that it is only a thought that conceptualizes the mind as being close, intimate, inside, and the world as being distant, other, outside. That in our actual experience, all seeming things are equally close, equally intimate, equally one with myself. We normally think that the body is the sort of intermediary between the mind and the world. Go to the sensation of the body. If our eyes are closed, all we know of the body is this tingling mass of sensation. Made only of sensing. And how far is sensing from myself? Is it not utterly one with myself? It is only the mind that says thoughts and images are closest, most intimate. Perceptions, that is, sights, sounds, tastes, etc., are at a distance, outside, other, and that the body is somewhere in between the two, through which the inside communicates with the outside. Experience is very different. Thoughts, sensations, and perceptions, made only of sensing, of thinking, sensing, and perceiving, are all equally modulations of awareness. A colouring, as it were, of myself, all equally intimate, nothing closer, nothing further, nothing made more or less out of awareness than anything else. Everything made only of awareness, all appearing in the same placeless place, made out of the same stuff. As the body-mind, we believe ourselves to be something. As the awareness, which witnesses the mind, body and world, we know ourselves as nothing, that is, as nothing objective. And as the substance of all seeming things, we know ourselves as everything.